Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Magnus Pro Indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool integrates price with volume data by incorporating real-time volume information within the vertical structure of each price candle, generating arrows as entry or exit signals. In this video you will see how the indicator works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are utilized. The Magnus Pro Indicator captures real-time volume data and presents it alongside the price chart by incorporating volume information within the vertical structure of each price candle, offering a nuanced perspective on price movements. As you can see on the chart, these are the arrows, a red arrow and a green arrow. I will explain what they mean soon. In a bearish setup, when price exhibits a downward trend, a red arrow appears above the price, indicating a sell option. Traders may choose to enter a sell from the red arrows and may choose to exit when a green arrow appears below price. In a bullish trend, a green arrow appears below price and traders may choose to enter long positions depending on their risk tolerance. They might also choose to exit the trade when a red arrow appears above the price. Its settings are fairly simple. You just have to adjust the arrow colors. You can choose to change for the bullish arrow, change it to green, and I will leave my bearish arrow to red. And as you can see on the main chart, it has been updated. Who is it for? This indicator is suitable for swing traders, volume analysts, institutional activity trackers, and traders seeking confirmation tools. Its strengths include price volume integration, visual identification of high volume areas, as we can see before the arrow, and clear entry and exit signals using color-coded arrows. However, it is also a lagging indicator and it should be used alongside comprehensive market understanding, strategic planning, and robust risk management rather than a standalone solution. You can download the Magnus Pro Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how integrating volume within price candles with color-coded arrow entries and exit signals provides unique market insights. If you like such color-coded entry and exit signals such as this, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.